Hey everyone, I'm Karen. I'm Dr. Neil's wife. Wanted to share with you a really simple chicken noodle soup recipe that we make on a regular basis because everyone loves it and it's easy. So what I did last night, we had a cooked whole chicken and I used the bones to put in here. We simmered it overnight with some onion, carrots, celery, and garlic. We just cover it with water and then simmer it with some apple cider vinegar as well. And then when you want to make the soup the next day, all you have to do is chop up some carrots, celery, onion, and you can use garlic if you want, and saute it until it's soft. And then you just strain the broth right into the pot. Add your chopped up chicken from last night as well. And then if you want, you can add noodles, or you can skip the noodles and make it gluten-free and just have chicken soup if you would prefer.
Karen, what if I don't make soup often? How much of each of those things should I put in the soup?
You can really put whatever you want, and we are gonna link the recipe in the comments below. So this is a great time to try out some chicken noodle soup.